Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform, which is Semrush and Mangools. So let's get started with the breakdown. Semrush remain the go-to SEO tools for professional agencies and large businesses. It offers all-in-one platform for keyword research, site audit, bank link analysis and competitors tracking, PPC research and even AI content tools. Its database is massive, highly accurate and updated regularly, but with great power comes complexity. Semrush has a steeper learning curve and a higher price tag, making it ideal for users who need a deep SEO insight and full-scale digital marketing tools. And talking about Mango, on the other hand, is much more beginner-friendly and budget-friendly. It includes 5 core tools like KW Finder, SERP Checkout, Link Miner, Site Profiler, and SERP Watcher. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to easy to learn, perfect bloggers, freelancers, and small businesses, but it doesn't have so many advanced features as Semrush. Mango still delivers solid keyword research and rank tracking with clear vision and reliable data. And here's the final conclusion. Choose Semrush if you need a full SEO site with pro-level tools and don't mind the price and complexity, or go with Mango if you are a beginner or solo marketers looking for an affordable, easy to use SEO tools that cover the basic really well. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two SEO platforms, and if you find the review helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.